2025 Tata Punch, a compact SUV with big upgrades. The Tata Punch has been a game changer in the compact SUV segment since its launch. For 2025, Tata Motors has refined the Punch with fresh design elements, a more premium interior, and improved performance. Whether you're looking for a stylish city car or a rugged mini SUV, the 2025 Tata Punch delivers on all fronts. Striking exterior design. The 2025 Tata Punch builds on its bold and aggressive styling with subtle yet significant updates. The front fascia now features a redesigned grille with sleeker chrome accents, giving it a more premium look. The LED DRLs and projector headlamps have been reworked for a sharper and more modern appeal. Tata has also introduced new alloy wheel designs, adding to the SUV's sporty character. At the rear, the Punch now gets redesigned LED taillights, and the bumper has been slightly tweaked to enhance aerodynamics. A new dual-tone color scheme adds an extra layer of customization, ensuring that the Punch stands out on the road. Premium and spacious interior. Step inside, and the 2025 Tata Punch welcomes you with a refined and tech-packed cabin. The biggest highlight is the larger 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster has also been upgraded to a fully digital display, enhancing the SUV's modern appeal. The seats are now wrapped in premium fabric or optional leatherette, depending on the variant. Tata has improved the ergonomics with a redesigned center console that offers better storage options. Ambient lighting and a sunroof, available in top variants, add a touch of luxury to the Punch's compact yet comfortable cabin. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Tata Punch continues with the reliable 1.2 litres Redefine petrol engine, now fine-tuned for better efficiency and performance. It produces around 88 PS and 115 Nm of torque, ensuring a punchy drive in city conditions. The 5-speed manual and AMT options remain, but Tata has also introduced a more refined DCT gearbox for smoother shifts. Additionally, Tata is expected to launch a CNG variant and an all-electric version later in 2025, making the Punch an even more attractive choice for eco-conscious buyers. Expected price and launch. The 2025 Tata Punch is expected to be priced between a superscript 16.5 lakh and a superscript 10.5 lakh, ex-showroom, depending on the variant and features. The official launch is anticipated in mid-2025, with bookings likely to open a few months before. With its fresh design, premium interior, and improved performance, the 2025 Tata Punch continues to be one of the most compelling options in the compact SUV space. Whether you need a city-friendly SUV or a stylish adventure companion, the Punch has something for everyone.